Take three. The first one, my hair wasn't right. You could see my bald spot. Second one, freshmen were yelling in the hall. Maybe I'll get it done this time, but I'm thinking announcements are going to come on. But I figured we would try at least to do a hydrate problem. So 10 grams of sodium carbonate hydrate, we don't know how much water's in it, that's why the question mark is there, is found to contain 4.5 grams of water. What is the formula of the hydrate? So the first thing I do right here is I take the 10 grams of the hydrate. The hydrate doesn't do a lot for us because it's water and the compound together. Then I take away the water right here minus the 4.5, and that gives me 5.5 grams of the sodium carbonate. Okay? So at this point, what I need to do is I need to figure out the molar mass of water. We should know that. That's 18.02. And then I didn't know sodium carbonate, so I just did it real quick here on my pad, and I got like 106. All right? Now, I'm going to tell you when I do my math, that is going to bite me in the rear end here in just a second. But since it's a hydrate problem, it's not a big deal, and we can work through that. Okay? So my next step here is to take that 4.5 grams of water over 1 mole of water, 18.02 grams of water, and that gets me roughly 0.250, okay? And then I take my 5.5 grams of sodium carbonate, 106 grams of sodium carbonate, and that's going to be the smaller number, 0.052, okay? Now here's where it got me, all right? Because I rounded this a little bit here, and so that 2 came out a little high, and so instead of getting the perfect 5 that I wanted, I got 4.8. But that's how things go, and it was a lot quicker than going to the periodic table, and so it's generally fine because I could get from 4.8 that it's probably 5. And so my answer is Na2CO3, 5 waters, which is penta, so sodium carbonate pentahydrate. Now, the steps I did was I isolated the water and the anhydrous, then I switched them to moles, and then I came up with my formula, and it's just that easy.